In this quick video, I'm going to explain how you can fix your billing issues if your ads has been paused or you're getting notification from Amazon about billing. This video will assist you how to fix that. So once you log into your account, you will most likely see some sort of banner on top saying you need to fix your billing issues. If you don't see that, that's okay. We can just click on administration here and then click on billing here. If you're setting up a new account for the first time, then you have to fix this as well. So whatever marketplace that you're planning on running ads in, I'll start with UK. So Amazon will prompt you to log into your account. I will simply do that. This is where you will see Amazon will ask for your credit card or debit card, wherever you want to add. You just click on add credit or debit card. Amazon will prompt you to add your details. You click here, click save, and that's it. If you want to run your ads in multiple marketplaces, make sure you do for all the relevant marketplaces, for example, Sweden, US, UK, wherever. And that's basically it. That's how you fix your Amazon billing issue. Two things to double check. First, make sure your card allows international transactions. Amazon may charge from a different country depending on your marketplace. Second, some banks flag recurring advertising charges as suspicious, so it's worth calling your bank to pre-authorize payments to Amazon. If your campaigns are paused due to a billing issue, once you have fixed this, your campaigns will typically resume in few hours. If they don't start in 24 hours, let our team know and we'll investigate this from our side. Thank you so much.